I'm an artist that works in sculptural installation typically. I like to work with stainless steel and textiles and mould making with silicone and print. My name is Bohunnis. I live and work here on Kaurna country. Generally within my work I sort of explore ideas of identity, personal narrative, gender violence and gender construction through a queer perspective. I try and combine as many materials in my practice as possible, not necessarily as having a practice that's broad, but I think that it's important to have a sort of open material engagement. That's sort of what led me to using textiles and typically like dowdy and like unfashionable, fluffy fabrics, and I really like tacky things, and so that comes a lot through my textile work. Stainless steel is what you see within a hospital. So it has this sort of sleek, sexy, almost like emptiness. I really like the sort of clinical and like sort of bodily and sexy nature of latex and silicone, and in each of those things it's typically about sort of having an interplay between the material. I think in my work the human body is very important, particularly coming from these ideas of personal narrative and gender and sexuality and all of these sorts of things. I understand how big something should be in my mind by its scale in terms of how my body feels standing in front of it, or can my body fit in it, or is it too small and someone would have to crouch. My body is in the space, my work is in the space, and then the whole room becomes the work. I sort of look at these ideas of repetition and difference. I was looking into the productive power of uncertainty. It's this idea that having this static assertions of who we are, or where we come from, or what we're supposed to do with all the information that we have, only serves to limit ourselves. But I think in my reading and what I'm interested in is stripping all of that away and understanding that things can be changed. I think it's understanding that nothing needs to be fully formed. When I was asked to be a part of the South Australian survey at ACE Open, were talking to me about having the ability to sort of commission this most ambitious work yet. It was that real catalyst to be able to really, for the first time, put all of my energies in to making one new thing for my practice. In winning the Ramsay, in a sense it was a tick of like, yes, you are doing the right thing, and yes, you should continue and trust what you have to say and why that's important. I think it also tells other people that they can be confident in my abilities too.